Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, let's dive in. So we have the Galaxy S25 Ultra itself. Okay, let's turn it on. Yeah, and it's coming on. Have this, and inside this container we have the SIM ejector. Okay, we have the quick start guide. We have the Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, so let's see what the phone has. I have the pen. Okay, let me unlock this. Yeah, see the camera. Zoom, zoom. Let's open the Galaxy S25 Ultra clear case. Yeah. Yeah, so that's that for this video. This video is just mainly like an introduction, right? So in upcoming videos I'll be sharing more tips or more things about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed.